Technology is saving lives, and we all know that. But have you ever thought of a mobile application that can also save a precious life? Yes, we are talking about an ambulance booking app that will allow you to reach the hospital in a minimum period of time, and you can save your and your loved one's life. In medical emergencies, every second counts. Imagine an app that connects patients with ambulances instantly. Fast, efficient, and life-saving. Want to build an ambulance booking app? Let's break down the process step by step. Your app must include real-time ambulance tracking, an SOS button, driver details, and seamless booking to ensure quick response times. The next step is to choose the right tech. For Android, use Kotlin or Java. For iOS, go with Swift. A strong backend with Node.js or Firebase ensures smooth data flow and instant notifications. AI-powered route optimization helps ambulances reach patients faster by avoiding traffic congestion and finding the shortest path. Allow users to pay securely and integrate insurance claims for a hassle-free experience. Run multiple tests to ensure reliability, then launch on Play Store and App Store. Promote through hospitals, healthcare providers, and emergency services. An ambulance booking app can save countless lives. Ready to build one? Let us know in the comments. Would you like any specific features or angles added? Contact us now.